Today, Ministry of Climate Change is organizing stakeholder consultation on the final draft of National Climate Finance Strategy. It's a bit delayed, but we are very happy that it's happening. As a vulnerable country, we should have a robust strategy how to raise money for climate action. I just reviewed the draft. It's quite comprehensive. It covers most of the impacts. It also covers some of the new avenues, which are green bond or green sukuk or debt swap for nature. I think the public-private partnership is also very important.
The ministry also need to be congratulated on developing a very innovative and robust governance structure. This is a strategy that will be overseen by the Prime Minister in the Pakistan Climate Change Council and 3 secretaries of the economic ministries, Secretary Finance, Secretary Economic Affairs and Secretary Planning, together with the Secretary Climate Change, will oversee and ensure the compliance and the implementation of this strategy.
Pakistan needs to benefit from opportunities, Green Climate Fund, Global Environment Facility and the multiple financing institutions that are ready to render support to Pakistan. And today, this strategy, there were considerations that we need to align with other strategies.
Pakistan needs access to international climate finance, but not just that, it also needs access to domestic climate finance.
The development of the strategy is important because the donor community needs to be assured that developing countries have the necessary governance mechanisms and arrangements for effectively utilizing climate finance.
And this will actually lay down the roadmap of how the climate finance will come into existence. Adaptation, mitigation, and all these things.
The space for civil society to operate and work with the government is also shrinking. So I think it's very important that they also try to address that aspect, how the civil society and the relevant ministries and the government departments can work together to secure funding, which is critically important for a country like Pakistan.
The strategy says that it will be the part of standing agenda to be reported to the Prime Minister. We are hoping that because of this strategy, Pakistan will be able to do 2 important things. One is diversify its financial resources that it will access in the climate change realm. And number 2, it will also generate domestic resources through taxes, levies and other instruments to ensure that the capacity of climate finance is stronger in the country and we could use the domestic resources to leverage international assistance in the climate change realm.
It's a good initiative on a climate finance strategy, and what I believe that a lot of work has to be done. And you see that already NDRMF has approved the DRF strategy, and we must complement each other.
I greatly, on behalf of IUCN, appreciate this effort, and we look forward to work together for further strengthening this policy and also working together for effective implementation.
I, being part of the Recharge Pakistan program, is very happy to share that Recharge is also part of the overall thing, the climate finance thing. And with the strategy coming in, I think we will open up much more avenues, many more to come, and projects will come in and climate finance will store into.
It's need of the country, and I compliment the Ministry of Climate Change for this initiative.
And I wish the ministry and the government of Pakistan all success in mobilizing support and utilizing support for Pakistan's climate objectives.
We should join our hands to implement these strategies.
We are there as your development partners to support and further the thinking process around it.